and from, all of them denote time. So let's see. For. For denotes a period of time. For example, a week, 10 minutes, or 5 years. For example, they have been here for a week. Since. Since denotes a point of time. Say 13th September, Sunday, or 6 o'clock. For example, they have been here since 1990. And from also denotes time, point of time, all in case of present, past and future. For example, they will begin the work from tomorrow. So this is how we use for, from and since in the sentences.